Hey guys, it's me Scarlett, and this is my first ever video on this channel, and I will be finding out what house I'm in PotterMore, my Hogwarts, my Patronus, my wand, my Ilvermorny house, and such. So let's do Hogwarts. No, let's do wand because that's the first thing that you do. So we will do wand first. So we will begin the experience. To ensure we find the perfect wand for you, it's very important that you answer the following questions honestly. First of all, would you describe yourself as average height, short, or tall? Average, definitely, because about everyone in my yeah, I'm average, definitely. My eyes, dark brown, no. Brown, no. Hazel, no. Blue-gray, mostly. Yeah, it's mostly blue-gray. Was the day on which you were born an even number or an odd number? An odd number. Do you pride yourself on your kindness, optimism, determination, resilience, imagination? Is that what that's a? Yeah. Intelligence, originality, back to kindness. I pride myself on my kindness because I don't want to be rude to anyone, and I'm really kind, usually, to everyone. Traveling alone down a deserted road, you reach a crossroads. Do you left towards the sea, ahead towards the forest, or right towards the castle? Right towards the castle, because I don't know. I just feel like being in a safe place is what's important. You know? Do you most fear fire, darkness, isolation, small spaces, or heights? I don't like isolation. No, I like being in corners. I don't like heights. But I also don't like fire, if I'm being honest. I don't like heights, though. In a chest of magical artifacts, would you choose an ornate mirror, a dusty bottle, a golden key, a silver dagger, a bound scroll, a glittering jewel, or a black glove? Magical artifacts, which could be used the most? I mean, a scroll could have much information on it. Many. A lot. So probably that. It just got really quiet. Redwood with a unicorn hair core, 10 3/4 inches, and quite bendy flexibility. Your wand has chosen you. Spread the word. I don't know why I did that voice, but you know. Now, let's do Ilvermorny because I don't really care about Ilvermorny. Actually, let's do Hogwarts because I want to know my Hogwarts files. You know? Moon or stars? So Luna or Stella? I mean, my dog Stella. But I like the moon more. Because the sun is a giant star, and I don't like suns. I mean, the sun. How would you like to be known to history? The wise, the good, the great, or the bold? I want to be the wise, the very wise one. If you were attending Hogwarts, which pet would you take with you? There's a lot of options. Tabby cat, Siamese cat, ginger cat, black cat, white cat, tawny owl, screech owl, brown owl, snowy owl, barn owl, common toad, natterjack toad, dragon toad, harlequin toad. I'm pretty sure that's not what it says, but you know. Three-toed tree toad? Wait, three-toed tree toad. Okay. Okay. I like Siamese cats. Or no, a ginger cat because it will remind me of the Weasleys, and that's really cute. Okay. A muggle confronts you and says that they are sure you are a witch or a wizard. Do you ask what makes them think so, agree, and ask whether they'd like a free sample of a Jinx? No. Agree and walk away, leave them wonder whether you are bluffing. Tell them you are worried about their mental health and offer to call a doctor. That's so mean. I'm gonna do this. If you could have any power, which would you choose? The power to read minds, power invisibility, superhuman strength, speak to animals, oh my gosh, change the past, or change, oh my gosh, this is so hard. I mean, if I could change my appearance, I could change into a dog, but that wouldn't really help me with the talking to them. I'm gonna choose appearance. Which of the following do you find most difficult to deal with? Okay, so hunger, cold, loneliness, boredom, or being ignored. I mean, I'm ignored every day and I'm perfectly fine with it, so not that one. I get bored and I'm fine with it. Hunger, probably. Once every century, the flutterby bush produces flowers that adapt their scent to attract the unwary. If it lured you, it would smell of a crackling log fire, the sea, fresh parchment, or home. My home doesn't really smell like anything. So fresh parchment. Heads or tails? I mean, I have a head. Don't really have a tail. I like heads more. I'm a Ravenclaw! Congrats to me! I mean, congrats to all of you as well. Comment down below what your house is. If you've done, this is on the website PotterMore, by the way, as you can see up here. It's made. It's on the internet and stuff. Okay, so let us do the Ilvermorny house. Begin the experience. Would you rather hunt or heal? Heal, I'm more of a lover than a fighter. You know? Think of the question you would most like answered by a person or an all-knowing being or device. Which of the following would most closely resembles the answer you'd like to hear? Okay, so the question is, am I allowed to go to Hogwarts? without a shadow of a doubt. Never. Very soon. It is impossible. Yes. I will show you everything, only if you agree. No, I didn't. You are. Yes, you may. Only once. If you want to. Forever. Or not for many years. I would want to do forever because going to Hogwarts is my dream. Just being honest. Where would you least like to find yourself? Imprisoned alone in a silent dungeon, locked in a crowded cage, standing room only, in the dock in court, accused of a crime you did not commit, on the deck of a ship as the tidal wave comes over the horizon, trapped in the attic of a house, in the attic as the house burns below you, on the rope bridge fraying over the canyon, lost in the forest at night, eyes staring at you through the dark, imprisoned alone. Oh, I already did that one. Probably this one. No, actually. This one. I hate water. I hate water so much. What would you least like to lose? Reputation, health, luck, dreams, love, hope. I would go for love, because I need some love in my life, you know? I would most like to discover a powerful magical creature only loyal to me. An all magical city hidden from the no-mage world, which is muggles. A spell more powerful than any other. A magical plant that will cure any illness. I want a powerful magical creature loyal to only me because creatures are awesome. When will I learn to keep my mouth shut? To say no? I say no and keep my mouth shut already. To do things on time. This is my life. When will I learn the secret? What secret? Secret of my crush. Do they like me back? I really doubt it. When will I learn to do things on time? All I need is an opportunity, a little more time, some help. All I need is already inside me. Some help. I need some help. Mental. You can rescue a baby or the only bottle of a potion that could save 1,000 lives. Which do you save? The baby or the bottle? The needs of the many outweigh the needs of the few. I could save both. I'm fast enough to do that. I could carry the baby, grab the bottle, run out of whatever mess I'm in, and I'd be okay. But if I could only choose one, I'd choose the bottle. I know, it's terrible. I'm Thunderbird. I don't know what Thunderbird is. Blah 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 blah. I just wanted to know what my Patronus is, and now I'm